Now then guys, welcome to Dive Loop Coasters. My name is Sam. We join us here today from behind the scenes tour in Alice in Wonderland. So we've got our tickets good to go, we've got our fancy lanyards. So let's see what this has got in store. Let's check it out.
We're going to get started in a few minutes. You've got a couple of minutes to have your photo taken with these guys if you want to, with the card down the front. You can see those wearing Alton Towers merchandise. Or Thorpe Park. Hello everyone. This is Andy speaking.
Hi Andy! Hi.
Come along into my Wonderland and meet all my friends. This sounds so wrong. So welcome to the second Pleasure Beach Resort Fan Club event of 2024. This evening's adventure is going to focus on the Alice ride. It was opened in 1962, built by Aerodynamics. It's true that there are some similarities in the layout of this ride and the Alice in Wonderland ride at Disneyland in California. However, our lawyer has told me to tell you there are also significant differences. This is quite cool. This is like a goodie bag. It's got the top trumps that I wrote.
Hey.
So there. Whoa. What number did you have?
32.
So if you have number 32, if you want to come up and get your goodie bag, well that was easy, wasn't it? There we go.
Hey. Cheers guys!
Right. Let's have a... So if you're in Team Cheshire Cat, you will do the Alice tour first. If you're in Team White Rabbit, go straight to the Ghost Train, or you can go over to the Ice Lounge. They've got some special treats for you.
Oh yeah, so we're stepping off now on our behind the scenes tour of Alice. We're looking forward to this. Let's go.
Have fun guys.
Thank you very much. Oh, watch your head. It's not every day you're going to check out behind the scenes. Yeah, you can still smell the smell pods from the day.
It's so nice.
I hope you're enjoying the behind the scenes tour here. Be sure to stay till the end as we get a very close look in the maintenance bay and the vehicles inside and out. Yeah, it's very different with the lights on, that's for sure. Down, downer, and even further down. There's Alice, guys. She was too tall, so they took her head off. But you can't really see it when you go around the ride. Oh, look at all this. And steaming pieces.
Oh, is it a seven pod? It looks like it's got
Wow. Seeing everything move without the music on. Such a unique experience this, because this is nothing like you get to see on the ride. Also, when the ride's going round, you don't really get a take in the full appreciation of what's actually been put in here, all theming wise. But it's really, really good to see.
So I work on operations, so I break down how I also paint, so I do
All this is done in house. They've got their own painters, fabricators, decorators, and everything. Nothing exported. It's all done by the team in house and put in here. So it's really interesting to see how it all comes together.
so I paint for them and then I do mornings with them and then afternoons with operations.
The thing is, what you see when the lights are on a little bit.
Let's see the theming up close, as opposed to whizzing past in the car. Yeah, it's a really, really good experience this. So they were saying they actually paint it in place with UV lights, and that's how they get the desired effects. Something that I've never noticed when I've been on the ride. All the wobbly man. That's brilliant. There is the Humpty Dumpty scene. It falls off the wall. There it goes. There it is, splatter. This is part of the Blackpool Pleasure Beach fan club experience. We do a couple of these a year. Really good. You don't realise how long the ride actually is. I've been walking ages. Really, really long ride. Right, it's just leaving the upside down room. All the effort and detail has been put into this. Again, you just don't get to appreciate it on the ride. So it's really nice to be able to see all this and not be rushed and take our own time. There we go, so that's the inside section. Now on the outside
All
bit.
of these ones we took back to the workshop, the books we took back to the workshop.
So until recently, obviously, I've never had that book. And it was pink.
Wow, so that was really, really good in there. Like I say, you don't really get to see a lot when you go on the ride. So seeing it firsthand like that is just brilliant. So we get to go in the service bay now, the workshop. So yeah, just don't touch anything basically. Check this out, guys. Not often you get this close and personal with a ride, eh? Wow. This is brilliant. This is where the mechanics will do all their work. Keep the ride in operation for us. And then look back here. All the electric motor. And underneath of it as well. So it keeps it in the straight and narrow on the track. So yeah, not every day you get to do this, so take the opportunity when you can.
Majority of the time when the car's being maintenance, it
That
will
is
just be
brilliant.
electrical.
Just being able to see all that, see it up close and personal. Really, really appreciate that. So thank you very much to the park for allowing us this opportunity. There we are then, guys. There's our walkthrough of Alice in Wonderland. Let's head in. Yeah, that was absolutely incredible. Really enjoyed that. I didn't think we'd be able to get that close up with the trains as well, all the motors and mechanics. That was just fantastic, being able to see all that, see how the ride works, and just really get to appreciate the ride for what it is. When you're going around there on the ride, it's over so quickly, so you have to have multiple rides. So really, really good to see. So I'm going to head to the ghost train now and get a couple of rides today before heading home. we actually managed to win something. So I've never won anything in my life. So let's have a look what we've won. There we are then, guys. So yeah, they gave out raffle tickets and I was the first one to be called up. So thank you so much to the Pleasure Beach. So we've got some nice fudge there. I'm sure Natalie will enjoy eating all those. Fine milk chocolate bar. Blackpool Pleasure Beach, Mr. Funshine pin badge there. Pleasure Beach top trumps. Now they're going to be fun. I'm gonna enjoy playing with these. Retail price of £9.95. So yeah, we got those for free. A Pleasure Beach Resort notebook and pen. Thank you so much to the Pleasure Beach for the invitation to come here and put the event on. It's been fantastic. Really, really nice to see behind the scenes there of Alice, and also won my free merch, so can't complain. So that's it then, guys. So from me here at the Pleasure Beach, thank you so much for watching. Good night, God bless, see you in the next one.